Thinking of setting up your own private cloud or home server in 2025? Two names you are probably looking at are NextCloud and OpenMediaVault. But which one should you choose? Let's break it down honestly. Speed, features, and use cases in under 4 minutes. What they are. First, let's clear up what each of them actually is. NextCloud is a self-hosted cloud storage and collaboration platform. Think of it as your own private Google Drive, with extras like calendars, video calls, and document editing. OpenMediaVault, or OMV, is a full-fledged NAS, or Network Attached Storage, operating system. It's built for managing storage, backups, and media servers like Plex. Use cases. NextCloud is perfect for people who want a Dropbox or Google Drive alternative, small teams who need remote file access, editing, and collaboration, and NextCloud is also perfect for privacy-focused users. OpenMediaVault is better suited for users who need a dedicated file server, home media emphasis running Plex or Jellyfin, and people focused on storage and backup management rather than collaboration tools. Features comparison. Here's a quick feature rundown. Cloud Access and Sync. It's present in NextCloud, but it needs plugin in OpenMediaVault. File sharing and collaboration. It's also present in NextCloud, and it's absent in OpenMediaVault. Media server support. In NextCloud, it's available via plugin. For OpenMediaVault, it's available without any plugin. Storage management, RAID and SMB. Not built in NextCloud, but it's present in OpenMediaVault. Backup tools. Not present in NextCloud, but it is available in OpenMediaVault. Community and plugins. NextCloud, you have Reach App Store, and for OpenMediaVault, it's full of many plugins. So NextCloud is more user-facing, while OMV is more admin server focused. Performance and setup. Both are lightweight and can run on Raspberry Pi, mini PCs, or dedicated servers. NextCloud is slightly more source hungry because of its web interface and features. OpenMediaVault is more efficient for pure storage use, but less intuitive if you are not familiar with networking. Which one should you use? Here's the truth. Choose NextCloud if you want a private cloud storage with collaboration tools. Choose OMV if you want a reliable home server for storage, media, and backups. Want both? Run OpenMediaVault and install NextCloud inside it using Docker. And by the end of this video, I hope this video helps you guys all. Drop a comment if you are using either or both, and tell me down below what is your experience on trying or using one of these platforms. And if you find this comparison helpful, please don't forget to support us with like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get all the new honest reviews. And goodbye.